Good morning students, my name is Anand and I am here to teach you math, and today our chapter is number system. In number system we will read today about place value. What is place value? Look it. What is place value? Value of a digit depends on the position or place of a number is known as place value. Today we will learn about place value. So what is place value? Value of a digit depends on the position or place of a number is known as place value. For knowing this, we will take an example and we will know what are the position and place of a number. Suppose that, for example, it is a number 2, 3, 8, 5, 6. Now from the extreme right, we will know the place or position of the digit. What is 6? 6 is known as ones place. From the extreme right, 5, it is known as tens place. Now 8, it is hundreds place. Now it is 3, which is thousands place. Now it is 2, which is in the place of 10,000. So students, these are the position of a number. So once more we will see. From the extreme right, 6, it is known as ones place, it is tens place, it is hundreds place, it is thousands place, it is 10,000 place. More if we can write, then more it will be like 5 again, it is known as lakhs. Now it is ones place, it is tens place, it is hundreds place, it is thousands, it is 10,000. And it is lakh. Now we will know the position again. 6, 1, 5, 10, 8, 100, 3,000, 2, 10,000 and 5 lakhs. Now we will know how to find a place value of a digit in a number. For this we have to value of a digit is found in a number by multiplying the digit with its position or place. So how can we find the value of a digit? Value of a digit is found in a number by multiplying the digit with its position or place. Now suppose we will take a number we will take a 3-digit number 5, 3, 4. So what is its place? It is in ones place. So we will multiply it with 1. 4 into 1, that is 4. Now it is in tens. 3 is in tens place. So we will multiply it with 10. That is 3 into 10. That is 30. Now it is in the hundreds place. So we will multiply it with 100. That is 500. So again we will see the position of a number 4. It is 4 into 1, that is 4. 3 into 10, that is 30. And 5 into 100, that is 500. So these are the positions of a number. So in this way we can find the number, we can find the digit with its position or place. So we will take some more examples. Eight, 5, 6, 7, 4. So this is a 5-digit number. Now we will find the position or place of this number. 7. It is in the ones place. So it will be 7 into 1, that is 7. Now 6, that is in the tens place. So it will be 6 into 10, that is 60. Now 5, that is 5 into 100 because it is in the 100 place. So it will be 500. Now it is in 8. It will be 8 into 1000. That is 8,000. Now put in the place of 10,000. That will be 4 into 10,000. That is 40,000. So these are the place of a number. 7, it is in the ones place, so it will be 7. So 6, it is in the tens place, so it will be 60. 5 is in the 100 place, so it will be 500. 8 in the 1000 place, so it will be 8,000. And 4 in the 10,000 place, so it will be 40,000. Now we will solve some questions. Question 1. 4, 5, 8, 3. So, what is the place value of 8 in this number? So, it is in the tens place. So, it will be 8 into 10, that is 80. 2, 6, 5, 6, 8, 4, 3. That is, now again it is 8. But it is in the 100 place. So it will be 8 into 100. That is 800. In this way we can find the place value of a digit in a number. Once more example 3. 4, 0, 5, 6. Now it is 0. So 0 into 100 is 0. So when we will multiply 0 with any number, it will be 0. So there will be no change in the number of 0. So when we will multiply with 0 with 1000, 100, 10, it will be always 0. So these are the some of the examples of your place value. So in the next class again I will learn about the place value. Thank you. आज छुट्टी दी